All right, friends, we are here. It is still June 9th. The morning, Red Rock. We were playing on this machine. It was absolutely brutal. Then wifey just put in 20 over here and she got 2 cash collects. Is there anything left in the machine? She got 2 cash collects, so I think that, you know, I don't know. Should we not play on it? I think we should. She said, are you sure you want to play? I just got, you know, but you didn't win that much. They were, oh, that'd be crazy. The first spin, she got a cash collect on 150. Oh goodness, let's go. One of you. Okay. I mean, it's showing a lot of things. That'll be so nice to win back our money from the other machine on this one. This is the lucky machine. I picked that one because I thought it was gonna be a lucky machine, but look at that major too. So 800. So the maxi was kind of relatively recently hit. Do it, do it. Just goes $3 bets. Oh God, come on. Do it. Oh, he wanted so bad on that one. Anytime you raise the bet and he does a bonus right away, it's magic. One of you, none of you. Okay. Okay. Oh, he was right up there. Yeah, there you go. She's pinching his head, squeezing his head. I'm not sure, but he was right there. Again. Can we make it 3 cash collects? Oh, do it. Do it, do it. Nope. Oh. It just grew. I know this tricky mummy all too well. Come on, one of you. Let's try some of the 5 cent. Let's try like, what, it didn't change?
You pushed 2.
Oh, I pushed 2 again? Okay. I'm tired. All right. Oh, oh, I don't know, you're right, yeah. Yeah, it's the thing glitching out. Some of these machines have been kind of glitchy. Like the sound on this one's kind of weird too, you know? Did wifey win all the money on this machine? Oh. Yeah, she put in $20 and it was like, okay, I don't have to pay that much. When we put in 100, that's when, okay, unless. When we put in 100, it's like, uh-oh, I might have to pay out more, so I don't want it. When you put in a 20, it's like, oh, it's a cute little entry fee. Come on. And we're seeing some numbers here. Let's do one $5 bet for good measure. Oh. Let's do one more. At least give us a line hit, I think. I hate them too. Unless, nope. It can trigger on the $5. That's magic when it does. Oh, wifey wants me to put the good luck 15 cent from the last machine. That's right, I should do that. That was my last 15 cents from over there, that machine. And then here we are now. Now it's in here, we're ready. What did I just win? $3, okay. That's good. Yeah, that was good luck. Oh my God, that one. Please. That was $100, yeah, right there. That would have been absolutely splendid, wouldn't it have? $100 start. It probably would have been like just one ball after that, but you know. Okay. Let's start with the modest $5 one. No. This is the revenge tour, people. Here we go. Oh, keep going, Cleo. So we have, last time it was $3. Why is it only $2? That's interesting. love, like, yeah, I just like hold my breath every time one of those green ones fall on 5 cents because I'm like so. Nope. It'll like start. It'll glow like that, but like a different kind of glow, sort of thing. Yeah, it's magic. Damn. Nope. Okay, last spin, best spin. Last spin, worst spin. Okay, we're not gonna give up. We'll be back. We'll try this again. See you then. Okay guys, we're back. Part 2, wifey wants to do thumbs up, good luck. There it is. Thumbs up, good luck. Sword fighting. We put in another 100. We can't let this mummy get away with this grand larceny. So we're gonna put in 100, some more. Oh yeah, one of you, right away. One of those would have been nice to start. Okay. Lots of gems on 5 cents, but $100 one, baby. I told you. Bam, right here again. All right. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Actually, just stubbornness helps. Okay. So we need to win 400 to be even, I think. Something, no, 300 or something. So Mr. Mummy, that's a good start. I think it's $100 to start, so. Yeah, no, don't say that. That's a good start on 5 cents, peeps. All right, let's get, this is a good size school over here. Let's get that major. When you're on 5 cents, crazy stuff can happen. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, we love that. First spin, first. We did something crazy the other day. We had 1 and we went all the way across, so. Yeah, no, I mean. Okay, all right, people. 3, yeah, I don't know why this just came up. Did I hit that? Okay, 3 extra spins, yeah. We have 7, I never had it 7. Everyone is worth so much right now, so we like major, exactly. One of the M's. Oh, more of the greens to start. Okay. More of the greens. More of the greens. Let's go. Green. Okay. 4 spins for 3. We got this. We got this. Oh, okay. 3 spins for 3. We can do it. Okay. Random little nubs each time. And we got 4 on 1 spin, right? So we can definitely do that again. Right, Mr. Mummy? Yeah. Oh, there's a mini in there. Oh. That would have been nice. Okay. 2 on 1 spin or a really big progressive, please. 2 on 1 spin or the major. What do you say? Okay. If we're not gonna hit, if we're not gonna get past that, that's pretty good. Usually when I trigger it on a big spin like that, like a huge ball, it 270 something, I think, yeah. Oh, is it? Yeah, 270, yeah. All right, people, that was absolutely glorious. We'll do, how many backup spins? 11 again, or yeah, let's do 11 backup spins and see what happens. Number 1. Let's hopefully get some line hits in between too. Number 2. Number 3. Keep going. No, yeah, it was. I just felt it was gonna come up. Yeah. 4, 6, 5. Oh, he was right up there. Number 6. Oh, he's up there again. Do it. 7, 8, 9. He's up there again. He's trying to trick us.
Yeah. You want this money
You
back?
want this money back. You're not getting it back. I'll do it. And lucky number 11, right? I will do one more at wifey's 150 that she did good at. 150. Yeah, here we go. Just remember me. Salutations. Oh my God. He was right up there again. That's trickery. And exactly even number. Okay, I think that's a sign to leave. I'm not gonna get greedy. One back. Most of our money on that machine, I think, goes down 300. Yeah, so one back, most of my money. Had fun, and yeah, we'll go find another machine. I'm super brain dead from playing the World Series of Poker 3 days in a row. I'm so burnt out, but this is fun. It's a lot easier than playing poker against a ton of people. But yeah, we'll be back in another video soon. Thanks for watching, friends.